Well, hey there and welcome. I'm Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. I've got another Etsy quick tip of the day, which is how to issue a partial refund on Etsy. In just a moment, we're going to go into my back office on my very successful Etsy shop, and I'm going to show you exactly how to issue a refund. It also works with full refund, but specifically for partial refunds, some of you are looking for that answer, so we're going to go ahead and do that in just a second. But before we do, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the notification button for future videos. You'll be notified when I release new videos each week. So I'm here to serve you guys. Leave a comment below, drop me a like, give me some love, and I will continue to do these amazing videos and tutorials for you. Okay, so let's move on right to the content. Well, hey there guys. I decided today, because I have to issue a refund, I wanted to show you exactly how to do it in just seconds. Some of you are new to Etsy and you've never issued a refund before, so keep watching and I'll show you exactly what to do. So I'm on my order section where it is over on the left-hand side in this menu. It says orders and shipping. Here is an item that I am out of stock. So I'm going to just click these three little buttons to the right. It says more actions, and the drop-down menu will be issue a refund. Then I'm going to go ahead, after this pops up, I'm going to choose a reason. I'm going to say shop owner cannot complete the transaction, and then I just put a note to my buyer. Sorry, this item is out of stock. And I also emailed the customer as well, telling her that I would be issuing her refund. That's, having great customer service that you want to provide. Okay, so here's the item. So I'm going to just type in the full amount. And Etsy will also calculate the tax for you. You just push enter and the tax will be calculated. Here is the total refund. And as you can see here, everything is taken care of you. Review refund. And that's it. Easy as that. Okay, if this video was helpful, please leave a comment, like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Take care.